Welcome to the magical bakery, where imagination meets maths. Today, we're about to embark on a delicious adventure to understand composite functions. Meet our incredible kitchen helpers, the cookie-making machine C and the frosting spreading machine F. These machines are about to take us on a journey of maths and mouth-watering treats. Our cookie-making machine C is a marvel of engineering. Imagine you're making chocolate chip cookies. The machine takes your special dough and works its magic. Voila! Fresh, warm chocolate chip cookies right out of the oven. Watch as it takes a plain cookie and turns it into a masterpiece with a swirl of frosting. Look at that! A plain cookie transformed into a frosted delight. But what if we could combine the powers of these two machines into one incredible creation? Introducing the Combo Cookie Frosting Machine, CF. This is where the magic of composite functions comes into play. We take the output of one function, like frosting a plain cookie, GX, and feed it directly into another function, like making cookies, FX. So there you have it, the enchanting world of composite functions explained through our magical bakery adventure.